Welcome Intro Psych students. This is my week 1 pre-class video, and as I mentioned in the welcome video, I will post each week, a day or two ahead of class, a short video just to focus us on what the class agenda will be about and perhaps some of the key content concepts. This week, of course, week 1 is all about getting started, so we'll spend the first half of class going over the course design and expectations, and importantly, hearing from you. I want to stress that classroom time is precious, and I don't want to, frankly, waste it lecturing. And when I say wasted, I say that because published literature suggests that the talking head or sage on the stage is not the most effective way to learn anything, let alone psychology. So hopefully class will be more interactive than lecture-based, and that will require those of you at sites and centers to be brave and try out the phone-in function, and those of you who are doing the ITV section from Augusta to, in essence, help me make the course meetings worthwhile to everyone. And everyone, of course, will include both those in class and those who are not in class but watch the video by tape delay. So that's a cautionary note about getting into this kind of course. On the content level, paralleling Stanger's Chapter 1, we'll be looking at the fundamental questions of what is psychology and where to come from. We will also be looking at the issue of research, because you'll be doing a research project in the course. And so my first personal goal is to get students to understand the importance of moving beyond thinking in terms of topics to thinking in terms of useful research questions. So we'll go over that a bit in class. Hopefully we'll make the session a multimedia one, and we'll have some video as far as illustrating some of the main points about the nature of psychology and the distinction between mind and brain. So again, if you don't now know it, part of the purpose of this class is to reinforce being an effective and efficient student, but the other part of it is getting beyond some of the myths and preconceptions to understanding what contemporary psychology is really about. A word of warning, we'll probably be talking about the animal mind as an analog to the human mind, and be thinking about that through the use of some case examples. So those are some preliminary comments about the first week. Certainly getting your textbook before class, if at all possible, is important, and downloading probably just the syllabus, because you'll find that you can easily download a lot of things that you won't need or use are there for reference purposes, basically, on our website. So more about all that in class. Thanks to those of you who are taking the class. I think our course size is going to be smaller than usual, but that's okay if we take advantage of that and turn that into an opportunity. So I'll look forward to seeing you, as many as possible, as we are starting at 9 o'clock, and I believe it's 9 o'clock on Wednesday. So I'll look forward to seeing you then. If you have any need to ask questions or introduce yourself before class, I'm always open to doing that by phone. Much preferable to email, and that would be welcome as well. So have a good week, and I'll see you on Wednesday.